In this video, I will show you how to streamline your workflow by using Claude to generate meeting summaries directly from your Slack channels. We have all been in those long meetings where the notes get buried in a busy thread, making it difficult to keep track of what was actually decided. Fortunately, the integration between Claude and Slack makes it incredibly easy to pull all that information together into a structured format without manually copying and pasting text. To get started, open your Claude chat window and look for the plus icon located inside the chat bar. When you click this, you will see a list of available integrations. You need to find the Slack switch and toggle it to the on position to give Claude permission to access your workspace. Once that is active, the real magic happens in how you word your prompt. You need to be specific so the artificial intelligence knows exactly where to look. You should type something like, "Please analyze the meeting notes thread and the specific channel name from today." You want to ask it to create a structured summary that highlights key decisions made, who owns each action item, and when the next deadlines are scheduled. By being this detailed, you ensure the output is actionable rather than just a wall of text. After you hit send, Claude will scan the designated thread and organize the chaos into a clean, professional summary that you can share with your team. This process saves you significant time and ensures that nothing important falls through the cracks after a long brainstorming session. It is a total game changer for project management and keeping everyone on the same page without extra effort. I hope this helps you stay organized and productive throughout your work week. If you found this tip useful, please remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on how to master your favorite tools.